My name is Joakim Palmqvist. I work as a CTI manager within Access Communications. We attended this summit here in Skopje, and for me it's the first time we are doing this summit. It's really interesting to see how the subjects are tied in together, especially when it comes to the trend and the drivers we have today, which is one of our topics for today. Many companies are gathering here, and you could actually see that the region are expanding. The exhibition by itself is exceeding the expectations by the simple reason that everybody has the same subject. So it's really a red line thread within the exhibitions. You could also see that the region is expanding based on the fact that people are ramping up. There's a lot of projects going on here. Many of them are tied into smart city as a concept, and you can see more than just security these days. Security based on traditional surveillance seems to be already in place in many aspects. Now we are looking for trends and how we can leverage by adding services and having devices collecting data up to a supervised system, and then you add AI as a concept and a technology within the system. Think about the expansion in the region. I think we are, as a company, meeting the requirements. Since we are recruiting, we are expanding, and we are building the relationships with partners and end customers, end users. An important factor is to remember that local presence is the key for success. And here we have persons in the city, in the region, who can provide not only information or service, also to run certain types of pilots or tests and integrations for the kind of solutions that we do have in place. One thing which is really interesting to see is how the industry are adapting to the new technology we have today. Everybody has something to contribute with, and the fact that we stand here as a market leader when it comes to video surveillance, we can see the trends which is following and stated, they are following by others, trying to adapt to different needs and services. And most important is that all different kind of verticals which we can find so far has been the drivers now are collected within the smart city as a concept. Since smart city seems to be on everybody's tongue, you can see solutions and you can see products specific made for solving the kind of needs and issues and services they have within smart city as a concept. And that's the biggest takeoff from this exhibition.